Welcome back. With each video, we're getting closer and closer to finding the murderer. And based on the information that we received last time from the queries, we have two witnesses and we have some address information. And if we were to have a look at the database schema, the only place where we have both name and an address is the person table. So let's have a look in the person table and try to find the two witnesses and note down their name and their ID. So what we know about the first witness, we know that he lives at the last number on Northwestern Drive. Okay, so let's just try the following. I want to select all the information from the person table where the address, this is address underscore street name, okay, address underscore street name equals, let's see, okay, we do have a lot. So considering the fact that we know he lives at the last number, and we have a couple of ways to find out. Well, if we want to get the highest address number, we can modify our select everything here, and we can say we want the maximum, yeah, from the address number from the person table where the address number equals Northwestern Drive. And this one seems to be 4919. Okay, let's just note it down here. Okay, number 4919. And then we can reset this. And, well, actually not reset it, but do it, select everything again from person table where address, we have this name, and where we have the address number, okay, the address number equal to our 4919. Hopefully we have just one entry, and we do only have one entry. Perfect. So we have our first witness. This is Morty Scapiro, okay. So we have it here, the name Morty Scapiro, and the ID. Wow, okay. First one's in the bag. Let's go and get the second one. Okay, from the second one, what do we know from the second one? We know the second witness, we have the name. The name is Annabelle and lives somewhere on Franklin Avenue. Okay, so we can firstly check how many Annabelles do we have. Okay, so we'll remove this. We still let our select everything from the person table. We say name equals to Annabelle. No data. Okay, then we need a different approach. Okay, so let's see how many people live on Franklin Avenue. Okay, so we have select everything from the person table where address street name equals to Franklin Avenue. Cannot type today. Ooh, we have a lot of people here. We have a lot of people. So we have an Annabelle Miller here. Okay, so that's why it didn't find us. Okay, so when we search for Annabelle, I'm pretty sure, do we have more Annabelles here? I know it's too much to find out, but when we search for Annabelle, since we had a first name and last name, Annabelle is of course not found. So here we need to add an and the name. So here we're going to say to SQL, the name is something like Annabelle. And actually, this is how we're going to write it. And we're going to say like Annabelle. No data returned. And the reason behind this is, well, I need to change a little bit this like. And by change, I mean I need to add a percentage to it. You can add it in front or in the back or both. Okay, now it's different. Because if I put only Annabelle, well, like you've seen, it didn't really find it. And by putting in the percentage, in this case, I don't think you need to put it in the front, but it doesn't hurt. It's basically, this format right now is basically saying, find me a name which contains Annabelle anywhere. But for me, this is good enough. I think we have now the name of our second witness, Annabelle Miller. Okay. And then we have the ID from Annabelle Miller. Perfect. With this in mind, we can continue our investigation. And you guessed it, that will happen in the next video. See you then. Bye bye.